Hello everyone.
She does what she wants and she looks cool doing it.
So I decided that I want to show you my favorite post-workout smoothie.
Fifteen minutes later.
Okay, I'm gonna do like an honest taste test. I'm like super excited. Let's get going. It smells so good, first of all. Oh my gosh. And I think the almond milk just makes everything so much better and like so amazing. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video all about me just showing you my favorite smoothie recipe. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I love hanging out with you and I will see you guys soon. So peace.